How you got baby one? Oh, you caught it? Oh my god. Let me see. Let me see. Let me see. Oh my god. Oh, that's good for fishing.
Yeah.
The color gray like that. Yeah. Just put in the bucket. Where's your bucket? Right here? Oh my god. That's big one. Oh my god, it's so big. Can you hold one for me and let me see?
Nah.
No? You scared?
I go crawfishing.
Uh-huh.
And I hold by whisker.
Uh-huh.
And then it almost hits me.
Oh yeah, wait there. You hold it. Yeah. Hold it. Yeah, cái thì hold chiếc bơ của mà cái. No, you hold it. You hold right here like this.
Scary.
Oh, you grab right here. Right here. See? Big one. Huh?
Oh, look at this little thingy.
Yeah. The big one. Look at big like your face. Go by that. Yeah, you gotta get more. Oh, so big. That tiny. Yeah, good for grandma fishing, huh? Let's see how you get it. Got it. Get some. Yeah. Oh, big one. Oh, two. Oh. Oh, run away.
Yeah.
All of them? Oh,
Only one.
one go away.
Yeah, only one.
One go away, one in here. Oh, good for grandma fishing. Let me see. Yeah, có tới tối chứ. Yeah, nice one. Quite a fishing. Oh my god. Yeah, có tới tối chứ. But let me get my. Oh. À dạ, thòng xuống đất cái gì nữa đây. I got nothing yet. Keep under that, nhổ ta. Oh my god, let me see. That's big. Oh, mình tốt trong này nè, look at, that's a lot.
Big one.
Big one, yeah.
Look at small one for fishing tomorrow.
Oh yeah, put it in a different bucket.
Later.
I give you a bucket.
Later.
But I thought the big one nhặt được cái tay nhá.
Yeah.
Where's your string? Đấy.
Chân này bên đây.
Yeah. Đấy, mà gặp. Oh, there's a lot.
Nó bãi điện thẳng nhỉ?
Yeah. À Trang nhặt ta. À Trang thao nhặt ta. Yeah. Maybe I should meal man nó toàn áo. Yeah. Nice. Yeah, 이미 쩍하나 단 뭐. 뭐 nào? 원 빼 hả? 원 빼. Hello, look at that. Hello, so big. Hello. Don't catch me. Don't catch me.
Don't fall.
Don't catch me. Oh my god, look at this. Don't touch me. Touch me.
Be quiet. Oh, scary.
Hold on.
You want to be with all your friends?
Grab it like this.
Hurry.
Grab behind like this.
It's gonna get me.
So big, look at that. Really big.
He's like, this is my escape plan. Everybody get on
Yeah.
to me.
Look at it. To your best friend. So many in here. So many in here. Yeah, your net. You got fishing one. She got fishing one. Tiny for fishing one. Oh. Yeah, leave it there. It's gone.
Ran away.
You ran away? Uh-oh. Yeah. Grandma just caught one. Like that. Yeah. Oh, super big. Over there. Oh, by your bucket.
Okay. We are holding my grandmother. She is catching a crawfish right now. Let's see. She's catching.
Oh no! It's lost!
She got moss, guys. Moss.
I lost!
Moss. Oh, let's end. Oh.
Oh no! Bring higher. Higher. You got it? You got it? Yeah? Oh, yeah, you got one, you got one. Oh, no, still there. You got it? Oh, no.
One big like.
Yeah.
This big?
Yeah.
Like floated away.
Uh-oh.
I got that one and then it floated away.
Yeah, put it in there. Yeah, wait a little bit. I think wait longer better. More people, more crowd coming. Okay? Yeah, throw it back. Oh my God! Look it! Come here, man, come here. Okay, look, go far away. Go, look. Yeah.
Oh my God.
So big. Because I have a small net. That's why I don't get all, you know. Let me see. Come and count. How many? Ooh,
3.
we caught this. 3 only? 3. Like 6 come out 3. And I got 3 big one. Look at that. Oh my God. Look at it, so big. Here, take a picture. Take a picture. Is it? How big? Okay, that's it. Oh my God, that's big. Super big. Big like lobster. Mostly big like lobster. Oh, yeah, look at that. Big like lobster. You wanna hear?
See you this one? I'm scared.
It is. Big like lobster. Man, I got 6 but run 3. 3 ran away. Oh my God, so big. Get it. Nothing. Little one for fishing. Yeah? Better than nothing. You got one? Yeah. Got one. For fishing. Mẹ chịu buông mẹ. Đúng tay đỡ ra sao? Tay tông. Come here. Yeah. You got it?
Show me.
Huh?
Show me.
Help you? No, you could use the big one. Use the big net. Under. Go lift up. Lift up. Ooh. Hold it. Leave it, grandma see. Hold it. Hai bằng cá, grandma bằng cá. Oh, tôi kêu. Let's see. Oh, big one.
I don't want to.
Yeah. Okay. Just.
I felt big one like this.
Really?
Big. Really big. Like that, but like 2 times bigger.
Really?
And swam away over.
Where's it?
And then one claw.
Oh, look at that.
Big ones this size.
Look what we catch today.
This one.
Masli, come here.
This one.
Huh? Maga, man. Big one, huh? Masli, look at grandma.
Wait.
She's
Look
getting
at
all
grandma.
of them. She
Oh
said.
my God. Yeah. Ooh. Hi, Maga. Okay, show.
We
Okay.
got that one.
Where's
We
the
got
big one?
that
That
one.
one. Wow.
Give me all the big ones.
Okay.
And we
Let's
got more.
enjoy it. Eat.
We got that one.
Okay, eat.
No.
Okay. Look.
I'm gonna give him this one.
Kidding. Give him.
I'm gonna give my dad this one.
Oh
Do
no,
that,
that's too tiny.
And then put your hand
Okay.
behind and then say, just
1, 2.
just say, this one for dad, and then give him the big one afterwards. Hide the big one.
Oh, go ahead.
Yeah.
We try.
Okay. Oh my gosh. What are you trying to give me?
How you eat? You eat like that? Tipping.
We eat like we're so hungry.
Ooh, look at that. Yummy, yummy. Cá mien. Cá mè craw.
Oh yeah.
How you eat that one? You break like that?
Teeth. Don't you guys have clap first?
I don't know.
Cả đến
I think you do
noodle
even
à?
better ones.
Oh, cả đến sauce.
Is it big?
No
Is it big?
Asian sauce. Alright, let's see. How big? Oh, look at that.
No, it's big.
Look at that.
1, 2, 3.
Ooh, a lot of egg.
Yummy.
A lot of egg. Lot of egg. Eat. Yummy, yummy. Camera, how big? Muslin, show the camera how big is it?
It's a big head. Huh?
Yeah, the big one.
I literally killed this guy.
Oh no.
Yeah, look at that big one.
The big head here. Give me your head.
Ooh, big one.
That's the best part. You mess them up.
Cô con. Tiền á.
More for you, I guess.
Mẹ
How do you peel the crawfish, Marcel? How do you peel your crawfish?
Just take this
Wait, let me
out
get
and
this
then
guy.
eat like this.
Wait, after I eat this guy,
This out.
Sauce.
after I murder him,
Mmm.
So good.
and this.
Mmm.
This
The
is
pepper. Good pepper. Nó bẹt à? Cool à?
And
Cái
this
Ô
is.
tủ. Ooh.
This is how I peel my crawfish.
Uh-huh.
Crawfish. I've got the tail.
Mhm.
I whip it.
Mm-hmm.
I get the poop out.
Mm-hmm.
I squeeze it.
Okay.
I go to the bottom.
Okay.
Then I peel off the sides.
Mm-hmm.
Oh. You squeeze it so that it breaks in there.
See
And then,
how you eat.
and then I put the second part.
Uh-huh.
Take off the first part.
Mm-hmm.
Then just pull it out.
Okay. And then take the gas out.
And take the poop out.
Uh-huh.
And then you eat the top part.
Huh? Okay.
And then eat it.
Mmm.
And the cloth,
Uh-huh.
take it out.
Mm-hmm.
Then take the cloth.
Uh-huh.
And then
Break that.
break this if I can. Yeah. Break it. Take this meat.
Uh-huh.
With this part.
Uh-huh.
The opening part.
Uh-huh.
Then you just rip it. If you can.
Get that to bite. Let's see.
Oh,
Let me
look
see
at
yours.
the drumstick.
Check this. Oh! Oh!
Let me see. Oh, that one nice. Get out the low. Nice. Nhưng mà mình mà cắt có được chia tới nhé. Có được chia tới nhé. Look at, oh my god. Oh, young people home. Oh my god. I think they have a tournament.
Oh, maybe.
Yeah. Bởi chúng mà tổng phó mà sao mà phó mà Việt Nam mà U-turn tập chứ mà ba tung cái hết. They have why U-turn mà yeah. Mà U-turn mà yeah phó mà phó bơ the barbecue thing. Why you can phó này. Can phó here. Yeah, this is what parking here. And then we walk down here. Fish. That's it. Right here. Woohoo. Go. Run away you know. Oh my god. Here, Maslin. Tan pung ấy. Come here. Vẹn con. Tao lô, dừa lô. Wake up early con. Giờ nó bạt béo. Straight down, out. Rock roll như này. Slow down, okay? Slow.
Mommy, can you go help me?
Mất tỏi gì ấy nên động. Water so high this time. Last time water down here.
So we get more fish.
Okay, you ready to fish, Maslin? You got caught it yesterday. Then we come fish over here. Okay, let's go. Look at this, the first catch. Oh yeah, yeah. Okay, how about that? Ooh, nice one. Look at that. Nice one. Get there. Quiet. Don't wait too long. You fish around. But you got it. You do fast. Yeah, you do fast, and then I may enjoy the same spot. Okay.
Get my pliers.
Yeah, faster. I think a fish go on the one eye, a group như này mà tai ọ. Tăng được stop nhé. No talking. Don't make noise. Don't throw the rock. It scare the fish go away. Okay. This jigs are very used. Nhung hả? Nhỏ. Khỏe. Ở nãy em nó cũng đau nhung ở tiêu. Tao nhung tiêu nó phái như này nè.
Live your life.
You got string.
Learn how to do it yourself. Or else you ain't fishing. Nice.
Lên từ độ. Xếp ta. Mấy phèn từ béo như con.
Chân này chèn tay bả bôi như tòng lô.
Hello. See? Tự nhiên nè. 14 nè rồi.
Nice.
Yeah. Oh my god. I forgot to put bait. Yeah, you throw in there. Go down there. You want to stand here and go? Yeah, go ahead. Stand on the rock. Stand on the rock. On top of the rock, yeah. And throw. As far you can, okay? You not unlock yet. Don't unlock. Yeah. Yeah, throw as far you can. All it. Yeah, like that. It's okay. Still like that. Let it sink. Don't lock that. Let it sink. Okay. And you want to hold it? Hold it. Look. Yeah. Yeah. No. Oh my God. She throw it out and fish bite right away. And then lost. Take the bait. You there? You feel right? The fish pull it apart. I told you. Fish right here. Go. Two cut it. I told you. Nee. I told you.
It's too big, so it doesn't talk in it.
You should not let it right away. Let it pull. My God. Get all your hand.
It felt so heavy.
Yeah.
It felt like Daddy, the one that you caught, it felt 2 times heavier.
Yeah. Tên phải chứ. Yeah, béo nhất đó. Don't knock the Yeah. Tôi sẽ stop. I told you, fish right there. Yeah, so big. Yeah, throw the same spot. You throw as far you can.
No, that's too long.
He's using quite bite really fast. Throw. Faster, otherwise fish go away. Throw the spot that you throw. Yeah, right there. Leave it there. Let it go. No, don't lock yet. Wait, it's wait, let it go. Wait until see. Fish will bite right away. Ooh, the boy, let it go, let it go. Loose it. Wait. Make it tight like that, yeah. Oh, you got it, yeah, yeah, Frank. Oh my God. Slow down, slow down. Slow down, slow down. You see what happened? Go away. Oh, yeah. Go again, go again. You see fish, right? Yeah. You see right?
It's gonna fall in.
Oh, yeah. I see you caught, but it's not. Oh, fish! Oh, go! Yang! Try it. Oh, it's tight. No. Rock. No. Get it. It's stuck. Already? Oh, no! It's stuck already? Try it. Try your What? Here. Stand right there and see. Let them stop, okay? Yeah, look, let the line go. Let the line go. Yeah. Yeah, leave it there. And watch. Harder. Look at that. That's all. But let it go. See that? See that? You see? Until stop. Dip right there. Make it tight, okay? Hey! Fish keep biting your paw. Yeah. Fish gonna go away. Okay? Oh my God, got my stop. Hey. It's stuck already. Fishing guide just come and take us here because only 2 fish, and they measure the fish all like 14 and 16, so and they go. They must be check those people on the boat. Got a few bites, but not catching, not hooking up. Yep. Weekend, they always come and check. Yeah. They measure the fish that we got 14 and 16. So they
Professional at work. Go for it. Dang.
That was the far.
Look at the camera. Daddy-daughter fishing day.
with grandma.
June 5th, I think.
June 6th.
2026. With grandma over there. I caught the first one today. 15 inches. Grandma caught a 14-inch. Got here at 8 o'clock. It is currently 1 o'clock.
Sausage,
Still trying to get more.
putty cheese, egg sandwich. It's muffins. These are like muffins.
Mosley, how you fishing with daddy? Fun? You almost caught the fish, but not, huh?
Keep on biting.
I know, keep biting, but not
And like,
catch the fish. Mm.
why are we limited to actually?
Got it. Oh, anh chẳng bằng mình phèn tiêu á. You good at it. Throw far away. Fish out there, keep on biting, but can't catch the fish. Only 2 fish this morning, that's it. That's oh, it's stuck. Only two fish, that's it. Tự ít tàu ha, chào hoi à. Tự tải chào hoi bạn béo tụ. Chào hoi ngạt tiếu mà tụ phình mà tụ. Giờ đó tụ xong rồi lọ. Cháu tôn cháu phun tại bạn béo. Marcin, what you say a minute ago? Mother, son, and daughter? Oh, mother, son, daughter day. Throw it. Whoa! Wow, that's fall. Keep rolling. You gotta catch the fish. Going home. Dập cho ạ. Yêu hả? Chưa học. Chúng ta ngồi đây này. 1, 2, 3. Oh, okay. Tự nhiên luôn. Fried with tomato, huh? You like it? Oh, bẹ cơ mà, không bẹ. Okay, let's go. Let's go. You go out. You go out first. Bạn chào hôi. Tụi y tao. Rồi nè. No, you are gonna. Musling, you fall asleep now? I mean, you feel like you fall asleep, You wanna eat with tomato. The garlic turn brown like this, and then you put tomato down. Đây bữa sao phun tao tẻ ọ nên nó có tẻ ăn nó cứ cơm gì tomato đó cứ cơm đây còn thơm nữa chứ sao còn vàng Next time, if you forgot your clean up fish thing, if you have this, you use this. You clean up really good. Nãy bữa tao đã khu quay béo cái này, cái gì cái này nó mới nổ này quay tăm sum cái này, quay chút dầu, really work, chút xịt đầu này, nó này, nó quay, no, it come out really good. Now already watery like the juice. What nên dùng dày nhỏ này để mà ăn này cool, you know. This sauce and then not too much, this much to ăn time, and then now làm pa là fish, pha mực, fish sauce. That's it. Let's stir up a little bit. Chill down. I liêu là yên si and sao cái này đang thơm ở. That's long green onion, cilantro and basil. However you like. Mà ôi hát nói vậy tụi. And then stir fry and turn up. Done. Chán on. Rất tao. Deep fry. Boil out some a little bit. Ăn tí tiên hay this more. Then you pull this in. Put some water until warm up. Make a softness, like don't come out until it's warm. And cook for a little bit for 5 minutes. Lúc da cuốn ổ. Nếu tôi định là mau mẹ ổ. Mau bên nó có phun nhỉ? Cook a little softer, tastes more better. Add some more fish sauce. Add some more seasoning. Khâu lên bệ không chợ 5 minutes okay là ready to eat. Put more cilantro, along with onion. Done. Asian homemade noodle. Homemade noodle. Giáp cắt rô tỏ.
Mấy ít là nước đâu không? Dớn ta, tại anh nhà dớn.
No, ý cái nhà ý dấu trắng béo tân nhân. Nhỏ nè, cắt đó, nhỏ.
Ồ.